Hey, this is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android at CTIA, and we're here with Smart On Mobile, which is all about app creation and making it quick, easy, and affordable. And it's all web-based, and I have Drew here who's going to show us a little bit about it.
Sure, so this is basically creating a new application. We give you the flexibility so that you don't have to be confined into a template. So if you're simply creating an app, this is the first step. Whether you want a navigation bar, tab bars, tabs on your app, you can have those or not. If you happen to be a marketing person maybe, and you don't happen to know specific colors of your brand, you can actually type in your web address, and we will go in and pull out the colors from your style sheets. So you get the palette here, and you can actually create your palette on the right side. When you're designing your app, you can choose from these colors. So I'll just simply go ahead and click Add. You can see we have our new application here. And when I'm sent in, I have my blank canvas, and this is my smartphone screen. I can create new tabs. Before, after, wherever I want here. If I want to create a unique look on the canvas, I can make horizontal and vertical splits to create smaller canvas areas. Once I've actually designed my wireframe, I can actually go and place placeholders. So if I want a button here, I can drag and drop that over here. If I configure this, it'll give me the ability to go and actually name my item. So we'll call this one, and I'll just simply grab an image.
So what's the name of the road that goes down to the baseball field that they always play the Rosenblatt Road going to it is that a company that
and I'll go ahead and choose one of my app blocks here, and my section has been created. I can still continue to drag to make sure my item fits well. Once I've actually created my entire screen here, of course, we'll have the user interface completed. I'll just simply drag a button here real quick so we can see another list view here. So I'm going to actually go ahead and choose an RSS feed, and I'll simply go over and grab one real quick.
Assets that are in distant areas where we have the ability to signal to another point.
I'll just simply copy and paste this URL in here and apply my change. Once I've added a new page, I'll go into App Pages here, and I can see my new page called List, and I can then go configure my list. So here's my canvas again, and I have a list view, and I can modify my row height. Also over here, you'll notice that all of the items for my RSS feed are here for me to configure. So for this link, I can say I can choose my data type. If I want it to be a web link, I can do that. Once I've saved all of my data types, I can then take my text and drag them onto the canvas. In this list, I can continue configuring layout-wise, text color, text size, padding, corner radius if I want to create some buttons. And then of course I could go over to my detail page as well. And if I wanted to create a button, I could do that as well. And of course all of this corner radius here to create my button effect. And I can place this button anywhere I want on the page. If I want my description, of course, I can pop that over there as well. And we have our app being created in front of us. So everything I do in here, at any point in time, I can go into AppForge and I can build this application natively. What will happen in about 3 to 4 minutes, you'll get an email with your application built natively for your device, and you download it and you can test it. And you can do that anytime throughout the whole process.
Can it be also published in the Play Store?
Absolutely.
Or in the App Store for iOS?
Sure. When it comes to deploying the actual application, we can do it under our developer account, of course. A lot of times the businesses we work with want to do that under their own name, so we'll bundle everything up and give it to them, and they can submit that. Of course, we'll help them out. If you look in App Office, in AppForge, we have a submit page, so you can put all your keywords and descriptions. And of course, everything's built for iPhone and Android, so you can put that information and submit it to both stores.
So basically go to smartonline.com to get started?
You can go to smartonline.com. If you want to contact us, of course, we have some partnerships where we set up some sandbox environments to go play around. You can certainly contact us to start looking at that.
All right, great. Well, thanks a lot.
Absolutely.